Oh wait, I guess something is missing. Let's watch it again.
The longer you sit and you wait, the more the fear.
God, God damn it.
Whippersnapper, he's hit metal!
These guys have an almost fighter pilot mentality.
Sound design is so important in film industry and post-production. If you are a new editor, you must need to know the basics of sound design and sound effects. Well, first thing first, let me clear you that the sound effects is a part of a sound design. So it's a whole another chapter, we'll cover it someday. As video editors, sound is so important and we need to learn how to use sound to captivate an audience and convey the feeling through the sound effects. As you can see the power of sound effects, it's like they add a life in your shot. So in this video, we talk about where are the best resources to find free sound effects which I used most of the time and you also. Let's find free sound effects and avoid any copyright strike and engage the audience to make your videos stand out. So you want the free sound effects? It's simple bro. Download it, import it in your project, insert it on the timeline and enjoy. Well, there are many sites that you will download the sound effects like Epidemic Sound, MusicBed, Artlist. I guess I'm forgetting the word free. Actually, these are the few common types which I used, or you need to know the basic types of sound effects right now which you can use most of your videos. The first option is YouTube library. Go and search the sound effects you want to download it. Well, this is a free library that you use any kind of sound effects or music. Well, it helps along in the beginning, especially in the sound effects, and it's a storehouse of the sounds that people don't use. Or maybe I'm the only one who can't afford any paid website. One of my favorite sites to use free sound effects in most of my projects, the YouTube search. The place where you get any type or feel of sound effects, just go to the search bar and type along with sound effects with royalty free or copyright free. Although for the intro sequence of this video, I use most of the sound effects from this website by searching individually. For example, I need car pass by, F1 engine start, some whooshes, hits and many more. The third option is free sound. Free sound is also a good source of free sound effects like they mention in the name. In this website, you can simply search the type of sound effect you want to download and use in your videos, projects and your made videos to add these sound effects. For now, this is the easiest way to download all the sound effects from these various websites, but the question is, will you use it without any clips or just insert it on the timeline? Well, the solution is to use the stock footages like I did in the intro sequence. Let's watch it with music or just sound effects.
The longer you sit and you wait, the more the fear.
God damn it.
Whippersnapper, he's hit metal!
These guys have an almost fighter pilot mentality.
Especially you can use one sound effect in many ways, like you can slow down any sound to increase or decrease its length. Or if you don't want to slow down, then use audio maintain pitch. Or if you want to reverse the sound effect and go to the speed section and reverse it. And if you want to muffle your audio like this, just go for the effect panel and search the effect low pass and drag and drop on the sound effect. It removes your audio low frequencies, and it's exactly opposite for the high pass, which cuts your audio high frequencies. And let's say you want the effect like telephonic voice like this. Well, go for the Windows section, click Essential Sound, select preset option. Well, here are some different presets from Premiere Pro. Right now, select from the telephone. You can play with it to increase or decrease the amount you like it. If you want the reverb effect like this, go for the effect panel, add a studio reverb on the sound, click on edit and select Grid Hall. It's not necessary that you use the sound effects are exact match to your scene. Like if I use this sound effect, which is so different to listen and match the mood of the scene. But keep in your mind that some points you need to remember while sounding. If you tilt the sound effect bar up and down, just leave as much as you feel perfect. If you increase more, then it will be worse to listening, or if you decrease more, then it will not be heard. You can use text and lower thirds in your videos to add a sound effect like whooshes, pop to keep the interest of the viewer. So sound effects are playing essential role to your video's mood or feel. Comment down if I missed something. Till then, I will see you in the next one. So in this video, we talk about fuck.